Hi, this tutorial is going to talk about how we get user input. Look at this program here. So we have a burger equals to $3, drink equals to $1. And we calculate the total cost, burger plus drink, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And we print out the value equals to 4. So if we want user to enter the cost for the burger, we use a command called input. So when you put the input, you must put an instruction for the user so the user gets to see and they know what you want them to do. So we say enter the cost of a burger, or maybe the cost of the burger. Then we also ask them to input enter the cost of the drink. So when we run, this input command will print this string here, and it will wait for the user to enter. So enter the cost of the burger. So let's say we enter 3. Once you enter 3 gets stored into this variable burger, and then it runs this input enter the cost of the drink. So now they are waiting for the value for the drink to be stored inside this variable drink. So now we enter 1, enter. So 1 gets stored into drink, and they do a burger plus drink, so they get 3 plus 1. And you'll find that instead of 4, they give you the value 31. This is because these two inputs gets the value as a string instead of as an integer. So 3 is get in as a string, so this is the string 3, and 1 is the string 1 in drink. String plus another string, it will do concatenation. If you want to find out more on concatenation, you can click for more info to look at the link with the videos that talk about string concatenation and summation. So how do we get the input in as a integer? Because we are going to do summation, we want to add 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So that's where we put in another instruction to convert this string value into integer value. We put integer bracket close up. When we run through integer enter the cost of the burger, the value entered by the user, this 3, will come here, and this integer will convert them into an integer value before they store inside burger. So if you put this value 3, when they are stored into the burger, is no longer a string but an integer variable. So we do the same for here, input enter the cost of the drink. So now we run this program and we enter 3, enter 1. Now you see, because this is converted into integer and stored as an integer, so burger is an integer, drink is an integer. So when you have an integer plus another integer, they do a summation. So 3 plus 1 equals to 4. That's where you get 4. So in this tutorial you learn, you have to use input, give them an instruction to ask the user to enter a value. So get user input. And this value 3 is always, when they are entered, the input always get the value as a string. So this 3 is a string. So if we did not put this int bracket, it will not convert the value into an integer. So the 3's get stored as a string. But if you want to store them as an integer, remember to put this int. Okay, so if you didn't put the int, the 3 will still get stored into the variable, but it is a string value. It is not an integer value. Thanks for watching.